In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the issue of an Amazon delivery attempt when your package couldn't be delivered. This situation can be a bit frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the steps to address it quickly and effectively. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, locate the Sign In button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click Continue to proceed. Now it's time to enter your password. Make sure it's correct, then click Sign In to access your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the Account and Lists section, which is also located near the top right of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Orders. This will take you to a list of your current and past orders. Find the order related to the delivery issue and click on it to track the package. As you view the order details, look for any information about attempted delivery, including the time and date it occurred. There might also be a message providing a reason for the failed delivery, which can be crucial in resolving the issue. Double check your delivery address to ensure it's accurate and up to date. Sometimes a simple typo can cause delivery problems, so it's worth verifying this information. Next, locate the delivery tracking number for your package. You can find it on your Amazon order page or in the confirmation email you received when you placed the order. With this tracking number in hand, visit the delivery service's website. Use the number to get more specific details about where your package is and why it wasn't delivered. If things still don't make sense or you have concerns, your next step is to contact the delivery company's customer support. Explain the situation and provide them with your tracking number. They can offer insights into why the package wasn't successfully delivered and possibly assist you in arranging a redelivery. Should you need further assistance, or if you're not getting the answers you need, reaching out to Amazon customer service is a smart move. They can investigate the issue from their end and can often provide additional solutions or even arrange for a replacement if needed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the delivery attempt issue effectively. Remember, staying calm and following these practical steps will help you manage the situation with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tips.